Hello friends. Today I am off, which is lovely. I've been working on organizing. I've gotten the 2 top shelves done, but Hobby Lobby was out of those flower containers, and I like the flower containers. I don't want the plain ones, so I'll have to get some more of those. And I'm going to take a break because I have a custom project here that I think y'all will enjoy seeing. It'll be really quick. I do this all the time, and I had someone ask me about it. So, like, I see clothes at Justice and, you know, I think places where they don't have plus size clothes and the cutest t-shirts, but they don't have them in my size. So I'll get it and cut the graphic off and then put it on a shirt that I like. So this customer has sent me this shirt, which she bought, that she loves because it's everything, let's be honest. And then she ordered a t-shirt from Torrid because they fit. It's fabulous. And so I'm going to cut the graphic off of the non-fitting shirt and put it onto the fitting shirt. And I was just going to take y'all along with me so y'all wouldn't be afraid to do this anymore. And that way you can have literally any t-shirt that you want. So let's do it. Okay. The first thing that we're going to do is cut out the graphic. And you can do it you can put the graphic onto a shirt that matches the shirt you're cutting the graphic off of, if you want, or not. Where are my scissors? Right here. I've organized my scissors and now they're lost. Well, I guess we'll be using the non-fabric scissors. That sucks. Okay, so I'm just cutting a circle around this. I have done, did I record that? I think I did record it. It was several years ago when I did that Johnny Cupcake shirt onto a shirt that fit me. And I have another Johnny Cupcake shirt in my closet that I need to do, the Johnny Cupcake Gucci. Because I ordered one for me and Ramon, and his came in the right size. Mine came in a flipping extra small, so like it would fit around my thigh. I was like, what the hell? So, and the same thing happened. Cass and Harold got them too, and they sent theirs back, but I don't want to go through all that. Okay, I did a rough cut of the ET Rex. I guess that's what he's called. I don't know. So now I'm going to do a little on the old one that I did with the Johnny Cupcakes t-shirt. I just did a really rough chop, sewed it on, and then cleaned it up afterwards, which is what I do if it's a, you know, a complicated shape. This is just a circle, so I'm going to clean it as much as possible. Okay, there it is. Now we're going to find the center of the Torrid t-shirt. Oh, tell us how you really feel, Jax. Take the sticker off. Oh yay, it's V-necked. V-necks make things so easy because they point to the center of the shirt, so you don't have to do a lot of figuring stuff out. Okay. So I've got it there, because the T-Rex was going up a little. He wasn't just straight across. Okay, so I'm just going to put a couple of pins. Jax is giving up and going to bed. Here's my dilemma. I pull out the pins from this pin cushion and then put the pins as I'm sewing on the pin cushion beside my sewing machine, so then I end up with no pins over here and a whole bunch over there. Okay, here we go. Okay, so what we're going to do now, oh, and can we discuss how cute my little someone, and I can't even remember the name of the company, it was an Instagram ad, and I was like, the shirt's not going to fit. I thought I was going to be using this graphic to do this same project because these kinds of things never fit me. But it did. I got two. So they've taken actual images of vintage Valentines and put them on t-shirts, and they're awesome. Okay, so sometimes if I want a little rough edge, which is how I did with the Johnny Cupcakes, this I'm going to go ahead and zigzag the edge. Just because it's the look I'm feeling for this. And because they are both t-shirt knit, it makes it really easy to sew because you can just stretch as you go. Let me see if I can come in closer here. Of course, my little light is in the way. Can you see? So you can see how the t-shirt underneath is trying to bunch up. So I'll just stretch both pieces out and then slow down so you can see. See? In my way. For some reason, I keep singing that Johnny Cash. It's Johnny Cash and June Carter. I think it was after they were married. Anyway, it was "Oh What a Good Thing We've Had Gone Bad." It's so cheeky, and I love it. If you've never heard it, you should look it up. I think it's called "What a Good Thing We Had." Ooh, what a good thing we had. There she is. As you can see, you can't tell at all till you get right up on it. And it's still, you know, and you can also see when you're using a matching shirt that you could pretty much completely botch it up and you wouldn't be able to tell. So that's that. You saw how fast it was. You could do this with anything. And of course, you can also put the graphics onto jeans, jackets. I did that with one of Ramon's jackets. Oh, look, it's in here, by the way. I'll show you. We used one t-shirt that said adulting is hard and put hard on the front lapel, and then took a Frida t-shirt and a Real Taste sweatshirt and did him a little thing that he loves. Okay, well, there you go. I hope y'all have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this little nibbit. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.